What's going on out there, good people? We are back. Just wrapped up the daily recap. I was about to shut down and I took a peek at the thumbnail watch list and I saw Lily doing something. I saw Lily doing something that looked like it was gonna be good. So we jumped out there. We got an order in on it. Took it. And boy, oh boy, did that trade do what we thought it was gonna do and so much more. I got OBS started after I was already in the trade. So let's go ahead. Let's take a look at it real quick. I need to get to Home Depot, but I think this one is a pretty good one to look at. So, like I said, I got in this one after the trade, or not got in, I got recording after I had already gotten in the trade, getting in for the break of VWAP. I've already tightened my stop up. Look at what we're up right now. Look at what we are up. And I'm going to go ahead and start it. And I'm talking during the video, so it may or may not pick up the audio. What's up? What's up? What's up? We are back. Turn that up just a little bit. Just finished doing my recap. Going through the oh snaps. Going through looking at the charts and I saw Lily. I jumped on it. Yeah, so see my stop is I didn't move my stop down. It's just about break even. Because at this point we already have 2R. I moved the stop down. Yeah, so at this point I'm like, all right, I'm about to let's lock that in. Go ahead and possibly go ahead and lock this 2R in. See if this thing can keep dropping. And if you come up here and look at the 5-minute chart. So I bought this off of the break of the VWAP. This was my first, this is where I thought it was going to come to. It's going to come back up and tag us now. Yeah, that's where I thought. But if you notice, look where I put my stop at. Right at the 2-minute bar by bar. There you go. There you go. Get some strength. So it just so happened that I put it right at the 2-minute bar by bar. That's what I'm talking about. So at that point, I just started trading at 2-minute bar by bar. Just don't turn against me. If you come down, look at the 2-minute. We basically sitting at a 2-minute bar by bar right now. Yeah. Looking at the lower left chart. Let's see if this thing can push down. This is the area that I'm thinking it's going to push down to. We might get a pullback between there, though. I really don't want to see that. I would like for this thing just to give a nice big red candle. Like how we were getting these big green candles going up. Get a big green, a big red candle going down. Look at it. Look at it. That's what we're talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. I get excited like I'm still in the trade. We got a new 5-minute starting. So like I said, let's see what's going to happen. At this point, I just start going 2-minute bar by bar. Let's see if we can lock. Let's start getting our numbers. The high of that candle is 334. That would lock in, what's that, 4.5 maybe? There we go. Look at it. There we go. Let's lock that in. Look at that. That's what we're talking about. Keep going, baby. Look at it. Keep going. That's what we're talking about. You see where my target is at. I got my target set right there. So now that's a good spot to have that locked in because that candle is closed.
A little indecision, but this was buyer stepping in and the seller still got it back down.
I'm looking at the trade. Once we finish reviewing this, I'll bring up the chart.
I'm gonna go ahead and move this down right now.
So see, I move it down because I'm like,
what we're gonna start doing is chasing. Ooh, yes. Come on, keep dropping.
So now we up 6R.
That's what we talking about. Keep dropping.
Up 6R on that bad boy.
Let's go ahead. Let's mark that with a line just so I know to look for a bounce right there. I'm gonna go ahead. 333.02.
And look at that candle.
Look at that big. Look at that. See, that's an area, and it's kind of pulling back before that area.
And then look, I kind of start tightening that stop up.
That's a big bounce. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna even let that candle finish. Look at the volume down there. Some pretty good volume.
And if you notice, let me come back over.
There we go though. Come on, sellers.
Let's go right there. This candle, look at the volume on that one. That's had high volume with the buyers kind of pushing it up. So this candle is trying
9 seconds before that candle closes.
Get up there.
We actually good. We can leave that right there. We lock it in.
Oh yeah. Look at that good push. Good volume on it.
Locking in what we just made on the entire morning, y'all. If we can get through that area right there, this thing might come all the way back down to the low. But look at what it did. Like I said, it's gonna be a key area, and I'm not gonna even hold this thing for a pullback. I might even tighten it up a little bit more. But let's see how this next 2-minute candle plays.
So remember, I made 343 on the trade. So right now we're what I made on it. Booyah. Look at that.
Let's see how this next 2-minute candle plays out.
So right here, could have been kind of trying to just say, okay, that area is going to hold strong. Let me get out.
That's another dollar. That's 333.
So kind of tightening it up.
Set this.
Don't want to let that candle finish closing.
Keep coming down. Lock in. Let's see what we can lock in. Bam, look at that big break. I'm going to go ahead and set this.
So, man, look, I didn't even never catch. I wasn't paying really to see what that was up. We was almost up $400 on this bad boy.
Real time. See, real time. This candle has 10 seconds left. I'm good leaving that right there.
So at that point,
try to fight this area.
We have 6R locked in.
Area on the chart, so.
And see, there it go.
Might push back up on that now. I'm good if it does.
But look at what it's doing right there at that area.
Don't want it to.
So that's good thing about technical analysis and knowing where your area is going to be at to worry about.
This can get parabolic. This can get parabolic. This can get parabolic.
See, I had my target, had it broke it just in the middle.
Just the same way that
I didn't want it to drop all the way back down.
Actually going back down actually gets a little bit more volatile because it gets scary trying to come back down.
But look at how it's.
I got a phone call.
The guy's kind of fighting, but boom. It's trying to get through it. It was trying to get through, and then there it goes.
Darn telemarketer. Man, that little push right there looked like it was going to be nice, but looked like the buyers are going to try to cover this area. Got 30 seconds left on this candle. This might be our first green candle.
Let's see, it's still see the sellers trying to push it down.
Sellers can still hang on.
Booyah.
19 seconds.
Booyah.
If they break this area, I think it's going to get parabolic. I think it's going to cover this area.
If you notice, I had the line on that wick, and they're kind of fighting off of that wick.
Got another red candle. What's the high of that? 32.88.
And all I'm doing is just bringing it down.
Down to 32.90. Just on the top side of it.
And look at it. I just caught it. It was up $400 at that point.
This was a
there at 411. Man. Man.
If this can go parabolic, man, that'd be great.
Look, still fighting.
Let's move this down to like right there, just in case it gets the big flush. Looks like it's kind of running out of steam, though.
Yeah.
Nice.
And the reason I say that, let me. This keeps popping up. But if you look at the volume, see how they were kind of tapering down. And then look at this one though.
Yeah, it's kind of running out of steam.
And it's kind of the buyers kind of pushing that back in.
It's kind of coming back up on it now. So we'll leave it right there. If it comes back up and tags, let's look at the spread too. Decent sized spread. But good trade.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
There's about 20 seconds left.
And look at the volume on that candle now. But look, sellers jump right back in.
I don't know if y'all saw right there how that volume on that candle just jumped.
Yeah, sellers jump right back in. And look, it's back up 411, man.
Oh, there we go. That candle is closed. We're going to chase it down a little bit more. Lower that one is 232. Sorry, not the low, the high. 232.69. Lock in a little bit more profit.
Boom.
So now we locked in where I kind of say I was getting itchy fingered to get out of.
Yeah.
This just needs
man, 421.
This will blow right through 332. All right.
I think this is
buyers want to do something now. I can't be mad.
This is where.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
So 343. That's what I'm talking about.
Nice.
Done.
Now,
close this one out.
I'm gonna pause this real quick. I'm gonna bring up real time. So remember, right there is where it was fighting. This is the candle that came back up and stopped me out. It did push a little bit more, but look at what it's doing now. So excellent trade management on that one. And I'm gonna wrap it up now. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one posted, and I need to get out of here. I gotta go grocery shopping. I got quite a bit of stuff I need to do. So thank y'all for checking it out. Peace.